Hey guys, welcome back. This guy right here is a CR-10 and I'm going to be talking about that. The CR-10 is a 3D printer from Creality, Chinese 3D printer. I got it from GearBest for around $399. I got it 19 days after purchase. To give you a background of the CR-10, the CR-10 has a build volume of 300 by 300 and a 400 for the Z-axis. The structure design of this 3D printer is the original. Although there are some copies of the CR-10, but for this guy, this is the pure original. And this is my second printer. My first printer was the ANET A8. Although I had some issues with the ANET A8 in terms of the hardware, but for the quality, it's a bit okay. But for the ANET A8, it's a replica for the Prusa i3, so there tons of replicas of the Prusa i3 and the ANET A8 is one of them. As for this guy, this is the original, so you gotta give a thumbs up for the CR-10. So the quality of the CR-10 is overall amazing. And to show it off, here it is. This is Wind Ranger from Dota 2 and also known as Illyria Windrunner. So here's a close-up of Wind Ranger. You can even barely see the layers, and the overhangs are somewhat okay. Although I had some problems with removing the support material. These guys right here came out, so I had to glue them back together, and I couldn't reach some support material right over there, over here on her skirt. But overall, the model looks wonderful. So the quality of the CR-10 is marvelous. You can say that by the Wind Ranger print right here. So this Wind Ranger print took around 30 hours to print. It's kind of long, but you get a good quality print, right? It ran around 65 millimeters per second. Although you can adjust it to 100 or maybe more. I didn't try it, but I had mine set to 65 because I didn't want to hurry things. I want to take it slow, you know. And I forgot, the assembly took around 20 to 30 minutes. Could make it 10 minutes maybe if you're a handyman. 80% of the parts were already assembled. You just basically need to lock it all together to have it running. I got it running after 5 minutes then for the heating only. The heating took around 7 minutes, 7 to 6 or 5 to 7 minutes for the heated bed. For the hot end, it took less than a minute or maybe minute or 30 seconds. You know, the heated bed took around 7 minutes, so you gotta wait for 7 minutes before you get it running, right? This guy is known for its safety. It kinda gives you a more heads up when leaving your printer at home while you're away and you don't have to worry about things. You can actually leave this printer running for a long time. Just don't make it run for a month. Some guys had problems with leaving the printer too long and it broke it down. But not for the CR-10. The CR-10 is wonderful. You could print for a long day, man. Long day, a week. You could print for a week. You just gotta wash it out. You just gotta take care of it, right? Right now I'm printing this CAT G code. It's found in the it's an SCL file found in the SD card. So whether or not you should buy the Creality CR-10, I suggest you should buy it. Comparing to the ANET A8 and the CR-10 is way more better and way more safer as well. There's a large build volume, it is safe, and it has quality prints. As for the ANET A8, you could have quality prints if you had a good calibration for the bed, the hot end, and for the axes. But for safety, I kind of doubt that because I had some problems with wires heating, burning, melting. I kind of noticed something wrong with the power supply and it had a foul smell, so I didn't want to continue that anymore. But for the CR-10, it's been printing for 31 hours. 40 hours, man? 40 hours? This is 30-hour print. So you should buy the CR-10. It's one of the cheapest and largest 3D printer available on market. You could buy it at Banggood, Gearbest, or whatever site you have. I got mine for $399. You can check out coupons for other YouTubers. That's how I was tempted to buy this 3D printer. I was inspired by other YouTubers. So to sum it up, the CR-10 is great printer for beginners, especially for the installment. You don't have to worry about things. So that's it, guys. See you next time. But before that, time lapse.